So this is going to be a complete beginner friendly tutorial. So just don't worry about. If you have any doubt in this video, I'm gonna section the video into 6 parts and I will name it everything. So you just comment down which part you need to problem in understanding. So just give a comment, I will help you out personally. So now let's start it. I will give a download link all the file I used in video, so you have no problem. This tree file I will provide in my description. You can download it from there. So just let's get into it. Open After Effects. That's the first thing. Basically you need After Effects to do this. And I will, if you don't know how to install Element 3D, please let me know down in comment. I will give you a tutorial how to do that. So this is going to be your first After Effects project file panel. And what you need to do, hit new project, and this is your composition panel where you see what you are doing. And this is the project panel where you manage all files and import file, export file, everything. This is your tool panel where every effect, preset and every tool you have. And this is the timeline. Okay, so what, this is the timeline. Sorry for the inconvenience. And this is your mainly the basic panel. If you not getting this panel, just go here, default, right click, reset to self layout. This is gonna reset your all layout. If you have any issue, just do this. Now let's head into our video. Drag the raw video into here, like in composition panel. That's it. Now drag it to here to timeline. That's it. Very simple. Now next, what we need to do, track our footage. This is the first step. I told you I'll follow along all the steps. Okay, I'll write down on my video. Step 1, track our footage. On the effect panel you will find the tracker, how you do it. Now I will explain everything later in any video, just ask me out, but today we focus on track camera. So just hit track camera, make sure you selected the footage. Okay, then you get this panel, neither you are not. So just track camera, give it some time, it depends on your hardware. So let it begin and we wait for some time. While we waiting, let me know you something. Just go to Chrome, okay, and download blender. blender Blender, okay. This is what you need to do it. If you don't know how to use blender, ask me out. I will also make another video, just ask me out in the video comment section. So okay, remind me later. So it's a free software. You can import any model, change it according to, you can input any model and change it according to you, and you can do whatever you want in 3D, and it's completely free. So that's why I'm suggesting you. So download it, and we're gonna need this sometime later. Okay, maybe our footage is done, so just close it. Yeah, so after done, you will get this type of info. Okay, if we drag it here, you see some green, blue and red markers. Okay, if we bring our mouse cursor there, we get this type of 3D surface areas. Okay, let me zoom. Use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom and mouse middle button to drag. Okay, hold your mouse middle button and drag, I mean click. Okay, okay, now just choose where you want to place your character. Okay, so I want to be my character here. Okay, so I just left, no, I just gonna do, just follow the step. I just do a right click, and here we have create null and camera, create solid and camera, create text and camera. We do create solid and camera. Okay, here you got a solid, and if you see, if I drag the footage, the solid is locked on that place. Okay, okay, you got to see. Now step 2, we need to create a layer for element 3D. Element 3D doesn't work on any like blank panel, so you must have a solid which you can do on elementary. Just right click, new, and create solid. Okay, hit OK. Select the solid. Make sure you have selected the solid like I did. Effect, video copilot, element. Okay, that's done. If you don't have elementary, so comment me down, I will show you how to install it. Okay, now let's go to scene setup. This is the element 3D panel. You need to file and import the 3D sequence. You have to do it, but we don't have any sequence, right? I'll provide you, but let me show you how to create a sequence first. Okay, so now just close this. Okay, and minimize the After Effects. This is my file. I'll provide you. Okay, this is the file. Now close it. Go to Chrome. Go make some. This is a Adobe official website, so don't need to worry about anything. Okay, you just need to log in. I suggest to log in using Google. You can go anything with that. Okay, I actually uploaded my character already, so if you're new, you get this type of character like this. Okay, so we want to upload our character. Hit upload on character, select file, and remember where you saved my file. Okay, so this is it, Spider-Man by Uncle Mara. Will find that file in my description. Open, and this will take a little bit time. Okay, okay, now here is the file. Next, and just adjust this. It's for chin, it's wrist, second one is elbow, and it's for knee, and it's for groin. That's it. Okay, if you ever been in 3D, you know which part called what, so just do it. And also they suggest you that, and let the rest is on Mixamo. Let's see what we get. And if the rig is perfectly done, so you will have result like this. Okay, you can move by pressing your left mouse key and drag it. Hit next. So let's just have a simple animation. So let me find a simple animation, like which one should we take. Okay, let's go with a simple animation. I have here. Just go with a idle animation. Okay, it's very simple to do, and I like it. Just download it, copy the setting, FBX, frames 30, skin with skin, and keyframe none. Okay, just do it, download. And you need to remember where you downloaded. Okay, it's on my download folder. Okay, so that's it. Office URL 2, I'm gonna rename it animation so I don't forget it. Okay, you also can do it. That's it. Now we need Blender to work it on. Okay, because okay, let me show it. If you go black solid and video copilot, it's element 3D. So you see import 3D sequence, they don't support except cinema 4D and obj. So what we got here, it's fbx. Let me show you. And we got, it's a fbx file. Downloads, and you go to properties, you see it's a fbx file, right? So we need Blender to convert it in a OBJ sequence. Okay, so how to do that? Go to Blender. It's free, completely free, and Blender is one of the most easiest software you have ever made. So hit A to select all, press X to delete all. File, import FDX. Now hit download, and you can go animation. Got it? Hit import, and it will bring you here. Here you use mouse middle button to rotate your camera angle. Scroll to zoom. Okay, now drag the timeline up here and find where is the end frame. So the end frame is 318, so press 318 here. Okay, and now what we need to do, file, we just don't need to do anything, just hide this armature, click on the armature and press H, hide it. Now we need to export this file, export, we need to export in OBJ. So now go downloads. Okay, let me create a folder here in documents. I'll create a new folder. Okay, naming animated sequence. Okay, okay, if you don't know how to use Blender, I will provide the animated sequence also. Okay, and now here's the important one, make sure you tick this animation. Okay, okay, now export. Okay, now export. This will take a little bit time, and maybe it's done. Okay, it's ready to cross. Okay, it's done. Now we don't need this anymore, so just don't save. Okay, so now the next step is we need to import this. Okay, so remember we saved it on documents and animated stick. Okay, remember it, you got this type of files, lot of this type of files, like 318. Okay, you got 318 files. Now go to After Effects, scene setup, enter element 3D. Okay, let me enlarge this panel, you can do it right. Okay, so we don't file, make sure you don't hit import here. Okay, just go to file, import 3D sequence. Now find where we set documents, animated sec, click this, and After Effects will automatically detect all the files. Okay, just click this and open, leave it, just leave it. Okay, hit OK. Actually the file is important, but it's too small to see it. Okay, so small, we can see it, so small, you can see it here, right? So what we do, we hit this normalize size, and it will bring down here. Okay, so now this is the plane where we actually, this is plane, the lines. Okay, so we need to bring it up, go to front view for a better angle. Now let's just drag it a little bit down, and I think it's done. Okay, so it's just simply as that. Now you know what, okay, let's switch to perspective, and here is it, our model. And remember I keep some texture files, and now you wonder why I gave you that. Okay, wait a little bit, now hit OK, and it's here. Now it need to wait a little bit. It's on group 1, see, it's group folder 1. Okay, so hit OK now, and it's now come to the effect panel. Remember you click the black solid. Okay, so now press group 1 and create group null. Okay, now create it, and here you have a create group null. Okay, and the null is what you're going to do, you don't adjust the black solid. Okay, you also can move the black solid using position key like this, but we don't, we use the null to rotate this, move this. So what we can do, the we use the track solid position to collect all data and present to the element 3D. Okay, so what do we do, press P while selecting the track solid. Okay, now select the position and press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now select the group null, press P, select the position and Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now you can see it's going to here. Okay, now press S on your keyboard and increase the size. I think it's okay. Okay, or a little bit smaller. Now that's it. So if we play, let me mute the sound. Now if we play, that's it. We actually created your first 3D WebEx video. We actually created it. Now hide the track solid. Okay, actually created it. Okay, now pause. Now what we going to do? Add some textures because it's just gray. Now go select the black solid, scene setup, and now opens, and this is called default, right? Here you come diffuse. Okay, click on this, load textures, and I give you the texture file. Okay, documents, textures, got it? This is the file diffuse. Import it and go to normal, import the normal one also. It's for the depth, for looking more realistic. Now that's it. And we also need a plane for shadow, so go create plane, bring it down, scale it up, okay, and open it, go to its material properties and scroll down, totally down, matte shadow on it, and hit OK. Now you will find it's completely done. Now we need a light. Okay, so just first close all of this and press right click, new light. Okay, it will add a light. Copy my settings and do parallel light. Okay, hit OK. Now just create a light. Now what you need to do, you need to adjust this light, like where you want to place. So use those axes. I'm gonna, so just got where the light coming from. In this video the light is coming from this location, behind from the Spider-Man, and in this location. Okay, so what I can do, sorry, click the parallel light and drag the z-axis to behind Spider-Man. Okay, always remember to click and just adjust it. Okay, I'm adjusting it, so it need to go more direction wise. Now adjust the angle of the light. This is the where from light coming from. Okay, I think this is perfect. I just need to go a little bit back. This is gonna take a lot of time. Okay, so be patient and just do this. I think that's it. Okay, now go to the black solid and go for render setting, and here you find shadows. Okay, now enable it and shadow mapping to ray traced. Now you find it's already falling a shadow here. I think we already done it. And now add lighting, go for a, I will say go for a cinema light, so add more light in your video, or like basic, yeah, basic, this suits, or okay, let's go sunlight. No, this doesn't. Sunset, it's quite nice, so I'm gonna stick with this. Now it's actually done. Now you know what, I need to create adjustment layer, new adjustment layer. Now I'll give you also this link, go to RHA Magic Bullet looks, edit, and find some color grading, full color grading. Let's find it. Okay, this looks nice. Or this look nice. So I will go for this one. Right, okay. Okay, we need to adjust. I think the Spider-Man is too more bright. Okay, it had more contrast, less noise, so we need to add those. It's like hard for you, but just do it. Select the black solid and search for lumetri color. Okay, lumetri, and you got it, lumetri color. Drag it and place on black solid, and basic correction. Go and bring down the saturation so it can match. Now it matches, right? Yep, now it matches. And we need to add more grains, so go to effect. Here we find the noise and grain, add grain. Okay, you got it. And we need to add some blur more. Effect, blur as 7, add camera lens blur, bring it down to 0.5. 0.5, I think that will be enough. Yeah, that's enough. Now we'll play the video. I just play it and let's see how it's look like. It's being a little bit laggy. Okay, so I think we just got your video. Now the final is I need to go file, export, act media interview, and this will take us some time, and you got your fast VFX. That's it. If you have any doubt in the video, just let me down in comments. And now enjoy. I'ma be blessed.